No, there is no such rule. The rule in the House is that the second highest candidate for the speakership becomes the minority leader. There is no such rule in the Senate. In the Senate, it is a consensus of those belonging to the minority who becomes the minority leader. Candidate for the Senate presidency, the Senate president, the losing candidate for the Senate president, is not necessarily the minority leader.
Sir, kayo nag-decide na po kayo sa opposition senators you will
Apat lang kami eh.
Kayo ulit.
Sa apat lang kami. Pag-usapan na namin kahit 10 minutes before the session opens, kaya namin tapusin yan. Wala bang bagong member?